Underwood. I'm North Plant Manager at Hickman's. I've been with Hickman's a total of 11 years. I kind of oversee all areas of the plant, from dry storage, cooler, production, it's a little bit of everything, packaging, customer complaints, customer issues, making sure that we're making quality product, staffing issues. We're really just kind of all across the board with everything that I touch. There's really no limit. So when I first started, I was an inmate at Hard Cooked, and when I came home, I moved to North Cooler. Then I did that for another year, and then I came out to the processing floor, and about 2 years as assistant manager. From there, I became North Plant Manager. In my time as managing, I've had several girls that have come up underneath me that are doing amazing jobs. They're quite successful. Amber and Andy are doing great. One is my assistant manager, the other one is my order runner. They both have bright careers ahead of them, just doing amazing jobs. So working for Hickman's has been really amazing. I've been able to buy my own home, go to school for laser esthetician. I just bought a new truck last year, so there's not anything that I haven't been able to succeed with outside of here. My future at Hickman's, I don't think has a limit. I think that I will continue to grow, and I will probably be here until I can't do this anymore.